Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make 3D spatial photos in the Photos app on the iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the photos. So you want to open up your gallery and choose a picture that you want to make 3D. So for an example, I'll choose this picture right here. And all we have to do is click on this little button right here to make the spatial scene. So now whenever we move our phone, as you guys can see, the picture is also rotating. So this gives us a very cool effect. We can also put this as our wallpaper, and that's how you guys can do that. So just by clicking on this button to either turn it on or turn it off. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.